How to fix WhatsApp can't install problem from Play Store. So if you go for the Play Store and if you try to install WhatsApp on your Play Store, and if it says that you can't install WhatsApp, then what you need to do is check your internet connection at first. Because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you won't be able to download from your Play Store or App Store or anything. So once you have the internet connection, now you just need to open up your settings, scroll down, go for apps, and tap on Google Play Store, tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now go back and you need to search for other app. Go for see all apps, go for the search which is on the upper side and search for Google Play Services. And here also you need to go for storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And you can also go for clear storage and clear all of the storage. So tap on clear all data, which is here on the bottom right, and once you've cleared your data, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix WhatsApp can install problem from your Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.